Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get product SKU in WooCommerce. If you're managing an online store, knowing where to find and manage your SKU numbers is essential for keeping track of inventory and organizing your products efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. This will give you access to your WordPress dashboard where all your WooCommerce settings and products are managed. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your online store to ensure you can access all the necessary features. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the main sections for managing your website. Look for the option labeled Products and click on it. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear below it, showing you several options related to your product management. From these options, go ahead and click on All Products. This will take you to a comprehensive view of every product currently listed in your WooCommerce store. Now that you're on the products page, take a moment to look at the layout. You'll notice several column headers at the top of the product list, and one of these headers is specifically labeled SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. This column displays the SKU for each of your products at a glance, making it easy to reference multiple products at once. However, if you need to view or edit the SKU for a specific product, simply click on any product from the list. This action will direct you to that product's individual overview page where you can make more detailed adjustments. On the product overview page, scroll down until you reach the section called Product Data. This is the central hub for all the important details about your product, including pricing, shipping information, and inventory settings. Within this section, look for the Inventory tab and click on it. Here you'll see the SKU field clearly displayed. This is where you can both add a new SKU if one doesn't exist yet, or view the existing SKU for that particular product. The SKU field is crucial because it helps you uniquely identify and track each item in your inventory, especially if you're managing a large catalog with similar products. And there you have it, you've successfully located where to get and manage your product SKU in WooCommerce. This simple process ensures you can keep your inventory organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.